Hello, welcome. My name is Manuel from Cater Studios. Today we are going to learn how to register and profile yourself in the Cater Studios Academy. Okay, now registration and enrollment is two different things. Okay, enrollment simply means you are actually registered and you want to purchase and start learning a course. Registration simply means filling all your information and getting profiled to be one of the member of the community. So being part of the community doesn't mean you are actually enrolled in a course. Okay, if you purchase a singular course, it means a singular enrollment. So you can have multiple enrollment in a singular profile. So one profile is needed for you to get access to as much course as possible. So when you create an account, you're actually creating a profile and you can have multiple courses enrollment in that particular singular profile. Like I said in the previous video, you can actually purchase the web design course, the graphic design course, the motion graphic design course, the video editing course, all of the courses in just one profile, and you can learn from just one profile, one dashboard, and see all of your activities right from inside of a profile. So the profile is what we are going to learn how to create today, not to purchase course. In the next course, we are going to learn how to actually purchase and enroll ourselves in a course in an automatic way. So for now, to register in this platform, you can do it in multiple phases or in multiple locations. One of which is by clicking on the begin class over here, or you click on the profile icon at the top side. Now let me show you what happens when we try to register. Now we will be faced with this page. This page is actually the login stroke registration page. You're going to see the registration at the bottom left corner of the sign in button. Okay, now if you're actually registered before now, all you need to do is to click in here and fill in your information and you are good to go. Okay, keep me signed in means you want to stay signed in for a longer period of time. Okay, you can also access this page from clicking on the profile image at the top left corner of the website. You can also access that by clicking on the dashboard at the top right corner of the header. Okay, so to register, all we need to do is click on register now and we fill in all necessary informations. Okay, fill in these informations carefully: your first name, your last name, and your username. Now your username is actually a name which you'll be using to sign in. You can actually sign in with your username and password or your email and password. Okay, so careful here. You're going to fill in your username is going to be a singular name, so you can use your main name, you can use the name you use for your first and second name, whatever you think is, you can remember whatever you think. It can be your nickname, it mustn't be your main name, but the first and second name should be your main name in case of certification, because these are the names which will be used to certify you at the end of every course. Okay, now the username can be anything, it doesn't matter, it doesn't appear in the certification. Now your email is very important or essential, so we're going to fill in our email right from here. Okay, then the password also important. Use a strong password. You have to refill the password. Okay, now proceed to register. This, all you need to do is as simple as that. Okay, it's as simple as that. So now you're registered. All you need to do is head into your email. You are registered right now. Okay, head into your email and check if you get any new login detail. Okay, from here now you can see we got a new login detail, as you can see, and it's asking us to verify our email. You need to verify your email to confirm you are not a robot trying to register in our platform before you get enrolled. Okay, so click on verify and click on verify email address. So fine, we are now automatically logged into our dashboard. This is as simple as ABC. Okay, now when you are logged out, all you need to do is to log in again. You can click at the bottom part to log yourself out. To log in now, you need to just fill in the informations as we have before and fill in the password and keep me logged in. Then let's sign in. So fine, so this actually, you can save your password for later if you want to. So this actually how to create an account with us in the Design Academy platform. Okay, so when you get into your dashboard, you're going to see all of the information necessary for you to set up. The most important thing for you to do is to click on the setup photo. Okay, you need to add a profile picture, which is very important. Click on this and upload a new profile picture. Once you upload a new profile picture, let me take for instance, I'm uploading this, it automatically appears there. This is very necessary so it can be showing at the top right corner of the header. It's very important to show you actually when you are logged in or not logged in. Okay, when you're logged in, your image will show at the top side of the website. Anywhere you are in the website, it will show. Okay, but if you're logged out, nothing will show there. So that's how you can actually detect whether you are logged in or logged out. Okay, you can fill in the rest of information, fill in your BIOS, fill in your skill. If you're a graphic designer, fill it here. Web designer, fill all of that here. Okay, so in the next course we're going to show you, you can also change your password if you want to change your password from this particular end. Okay, social profile, you can fill in your social media profile from here. You manage your login sections from here. You can sign out and actually see the device which are signed out. This is very important to note. Okay, we actually restricted a singular user to actually sign into account with only 2 devices. So if you're trying to sign in with a third device, you'll be warned that you have 2 sign in section. So all you need to do is to come into your profile and sign out from either your mobile or your laptop. Then you can sign into the new device. So you are not allowed to sign into more than 2 devices at a time. Okay, so thank you all. We'll meet in the next class and we'll be learning how to actually purchase or enroll yourself in a singular course. Once again, my name is Manuel from CaterGraphix. Do have a wonderful time.